तत्सन्नं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ गं गणपते नमः। ॐ गणेशाय नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायण। श्रीहरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरं व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। अपरोक्षानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये सद्भिरेव प्रयत्नेन वीक्षणीया मुहुर्मुहुः। स्ववर्णाश्रमधर्मेण तपसा हरितोषणा साधनं प्रभवेत् पुंसां वैराग्यादि चतुष्टयम्। ब्रह्मादिस्थावरान्तेषु वैराग्यं विशेषणो यथैव काकविष्टायं वैराग्यं तद्विनिर्मलं नित्यात्मस्वरूपं हि दृश्यं तद्विपरिगतम्। एवं यो निश्चय सम्यक् विवेको वस्तु न जये सदैव वासना त्यागः समयम इति शब्दिता निग्रहो वायुवृत्तीनां दमित्यादि वियते विषभ्य परावृत्तिः परमो परतिरसा सनं सर्वदुःखानां प्रतीक्षा सा शुभामता निगमाचार्यवाक्येषु भक्तिः सद्येति प्रश्रुता चित्तैकाग्रं तु लक्ष्ये समाधानमिति स संसारबन्धिनित्वे कथम्यासीतो इति या सुता वक्तव्या मनुष्यता। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीमद्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण। ओम सं नो मित्रस्सं सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्वर्यमा सं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वाय त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके नारायणे नमस्तुते नारायणे नमस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम हरि ओम। I am very happy to be with all of you. My good wishes, my love, my blessing, everyone. You know, God has sent us this worldly planet to go to good deed, good karma, good action. Everyone is searching peace, joy, happiness. Without peace we cannot live. Peace means Shanti. Shanti is your nature. We are looking outside, but peace is always within us. it will not come outside. What will you? Momentary sensory pleasure. You see something like to eat, you eat, and you got happiness that momentary. You like some music, you listen to music, and you momentary when the music going, you feel peace. So external sensory pleasure, momentary pleasure, moment you got pleasure and pain is waiting for you. When there is pleasure, moment, all, because every person has infinite desire to fulfill a desire. I wish, I want, I need. That is your mantra, to fulfill your desire, worldly desire. And that worldly desire, unending cycle. One desire finished, you want another desire. What we don't have, we want, and we will get it, we are not satisfied. So man, person is creator of that unhappiness, sadness, nervousness. So my dear friend, why we are not constantly peace within, joy within? Because already there we have to look that inner eye. The first thing I will say, have a faith in the God. Without the faith, without Shraddha, you will not get anything. We love external world, our parent, our mother, our father, brother, sister, husband, your car, your home, everything we love is nothing wrong, but that big temporary. You know, every night you sleep. Sleep called nidra in Sanskrit. Swanya. Sleep give the temporary peace. And while you are sleeping, you have a dream. Some dream you come here happy, and some dream you are happy. One dream you got it, and you have a car accident, big accident. And that dream you saw, you break your hand, break your whole body, and your face is look ugly. You are crying. And next to your wife is sitting, sleeping, and she says, "Hey, what happened? Wake up, wake up." He wake up, and the dream, with here the bad dream, the body broke up. Not. The dream, anything happen, and you feel that moment, but that is not real. The same thing, daytime, we saw so many things which is like and dislike. We have to have constant, permanent balance. That's a yoga we call yoga samucchate. Yoga karmasu kausalam. Maintain the harmony, the pleasure and the pain, the gain and the loss, good and the bad. Any condition, you have to learn total harmony, total balance. Car has a four wheel, and you drive the car in the four wheel, all the wheel and the air is permanently balanced, then your car run. So, conclusion, we need a balanced life. If you're sitting in the car and there is no brake, what will happen? You bound accident. So your life need to the Anushasan, the brake. That's why first yoga, according to Patanjali, yoga anusasanam, atha yoga anusasanam. Anusasan means discipline. A car without a brake, it will have an accident. So we need that Anushasan in the life. Discipline the life. Life is given by God. We have to learn, reprogram the mind every day. The mind is just like a computer, the software and hardware. If you have a computer, you make the program, and some program virus come, they cut, paste and delete. To learn how to reprogram the mind, the well-trained mind, the relaxed mind, the calm mind, balanced mind make it wonder in life. The same mind full of worries, preoccupation, anxiety, fear, doubt, confusion, man become miserable. Who is responsible for your pain, your agony, your sadness, your nervous fear? You are responsible. What seed you put, the tree get it. If you grow the mango tree, couple of years you will not get an orange or banana, you get a mango. The same is, we have to learn reprogram the balanced mind, reprogramming the mind, software, hardware. If your mind you program properly, every day you wake up, whole day you think positive way program up to the evening, and you will feel so peaceful, joyful, happy, contentment. That's why we are here. That's why we have to learn. Appreciate it, you, what you have. Learn, appreciate it with you. The yogic life is a beautiful life. Yoga, Viyoga, Bhoga, Roga, Karma and Dharma. Before also talk about this one. Yoga, union. Bhoga, separation. Viyoga, separation. With the yoga, become Viyoga. Bhoga, Roga, Karma and Dharma. So, we have to do proper thing. You have a mouth to talk. Mouth to talk. What to talk, what not to talk. Mouth to eat, what not to eat. If you talk something, silly thing, negative thing, when must be aware when you talk, what will the cause and effect other person. Mouth you open, think twice. When you mouth open, put the good thing to you, balanced food in the mouth. Once the food is go inside, you don't have to worry. There is a machine fitted, digestion, distribution, assimilation, everything digestive system work. And that food come, distribute blood to the heart. The energy come. The person take the food which is not harm balance. That imbalance your digestive system. Your heart don't palpitate properly. The food for the mouth. Mouth is a problem. Bad talking and bad eating. Think twice before to eat what food is good for me. Tamasic food, Rasic food and Sattvic food. The tamasic food, which is people eat non-veg and all the killing animal and eating the animal food. The animal food, animal has, human is the life, animal is the life. If you did that kind of food, is going to help you. Maybe your tongue will like, but difficult to digest the food and it will not help you. Food, mouth problem come. And that when you balance your personality. The sattvic food, which is nutrition properly, fruits, vegetable, food, eating, that sattvic food help you. The same is talking, the sweet word. Talk, measure word, needy word. That's why the great sentence Mahatma and Guru, they have done. Guru, talk necessary, talk good thing, And they satyam vadam dharmam charam. Satya, the truth. That is dharma, that is duty of person. Talk from the heart that never bring unhappiness to the person. But you talk that word which bring miserable unhappiness to people, so you are not fulfilling your dharma properly. Mouth, eating and talking. Sattvic food for the mind. Sattva, the pure thought, love, joy, happiness. If you want to make happy other person with the word, you can make happy. To learn the sattvic food, sattvic thought, balanced, peaceful thought. The sattva, rajas and tamas. Negative, positive, and harmony. That's why learn to control the tongue. Learn, educate the mind. The relaxed mind, the calm mind, the well-trained mind make the miracle in the life. How much difficulty you have, how much your difficulty come in the life. Use your willpower, your stability, calmness, and you can make a difference. Most people worrying habit about things they fulfill. Equal energy, Kino Shakti. So that's why we have to learn, educate our mind, educate your tongue, and how. Doesn't matter who you are, what country you belong, what language you talk or teach, what you practice it. We are human beings. Love each other, give love to other person, and be happy. But we forget whole world of brother and sister. Doesn't matter which country you live, what religion or preacher talk, we are only one. We take the same prana. Doesn't matter where you live in Trinidad, India, China, Japan, India, America. We have the same energy, we eat the prana. Prana apana. The energy which inhale that bring the prana. You know, within this, I sit in the car, but I am not the car. I live in this body, I am not the body. There is something living higher force that is called Atma. This body, this car, God has given us 50, 60, 70 years. There is no new model, the same model you use it. But this car runs with the prana. This house, you rented house, you have to pay. If you have the house, you have to rent. You pay the rent for the house. Each moment you breathe in, you pay the rent of this house. The moment you pay the rent, the owner says, I am living because you have not paid the rent of my house. The prana, the breath you eat, that is the rent of the house. So, my dear friend, have a faith yourself. Beyond everything, the divine force working. God has given the life prana, it's free prana. The energy within is free. So appreciate it. Peace will come when you harmonize your body, your mind, emotion, your food, your thinking. Living a harmonious, peaceful life, and life can be changed. You are all yogi. You are practicing yoga, teaching yoga, practicing yoga. Then why we cry? Crying, unhappiness, sadness, when the energy. Have a faith, God working through you, talking to her. You have the wonderful ear. The ear, listen the good thing. Talk the good thing. See the good thing. Adharam madhuram, vadanam madhuram, charanam madhuram, madaram madhuram. Lord Krishna say, sing nicely, talk nicely, do nicely, do everything. So that's why the life is a precious divine gift has given. Enjoy, enjoy, be happy. There is no time to sad and happiness or worry. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो, प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम, भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम, निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम, संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। महादेव सतत जपद दिव्य राम नाम, काशी महादेव सतत जपद दिव्य राम नाम। काशी वरद मुक्त करत सिख राम राम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम नाम। भक्त जनन जीवन एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। राम राम राम। Our ashram in India, Munger, banked the river Ganga. The Ganga river goes coming, that make the come round to the Munger and go to the, it's coming from the north, going to the north, completely make Mala and going to the north. And bank of the river Ganga, they have cremation ground. Every hour we, from the window of the ashram, we used to see the dead body they carry. And they eat the mantra, Ram Naam Satya Hai, Sab Ki Gatya Hai. And they beat a wonderful music they play, with 4 person carry the body, and all the person backside, and they throw the money. They throw the money, and poor people collect the money. That tradition in India. Every hour, we say, hundreds of body we see every day. They throw the money and say, Ram Naam Satya Hai. And Sapi Gatte. Name of the Ram is only real. And the body, it belongs to this go. The body called Shava. Chita, Chinta and Chintan. The Chita means the dead body. The dead body, when the person die, suppose today I die, I'm not going to die, don't worry. Suppose I die, how long you people keep my body? Because death means I cannot smell, I cannot eat, and I can't think. Something was there but not there, but you don't keep that body long time. So they said Ram Naam Satya Hai. Only the name of the God is true and everything is false. You love everything, but when you die, you don't take anything with you. Enjoy every moment, and this life God has given you. God has given you, take the prana. The Jivatma, the indigenous soul is within you, that we enjoy. Man spend his energy, Shakti, the power. So Shakti and Bhakti, Yukti. When there is energy, when there is love, you go, that Bhakti means the love, Shakti with energy. When you have Shakti and Bhakti together, you feel God with you. Take every moment, think little bit. When you talk carefully. Mind is instrument, is not a thinking machine negative. When you think negative, you kill your energy. Speak slowly, speak gently, pick major word. Speak the truth and you will be happy, you feel joyful. You know, Today I got one call from India. That man, we know many years, more than 30, 40 years. I feel he's an older person, he's 84. When I listen his voice, I feel very happy. His two sons live in America. One is doctor, another is engineer. I talk his wife. They are very good devotee of mine many years. But I can feel a heart is coming, melting for love and happiness. Any person give peace, receive the peace. What you give, you receive. Give that love with the world. Word is powerful. Thought is powerful. Life is a blessing. When I look all of you, I'm happy. Because coming and looking means you're giving your love and affection. You know? Hari Om Carmen, Hari Om Devananda, Hari Om Jennifer, Hari Om Shanti Shokoro, Deve Shakti, Lorena, Laura, and Karuna, Devananda. Jennifer, you're with your dog, I'm happy, you're wonderful. Now, Myrena Hari Om, Laura Hari Om, Lorena Ray, I don't know, I cannot see her face, I don't know which planet she belonged, and Ramesh Babu. Mr. Mrs. Ramesh or Mr. Ramesh? So, Karuna, Loti, all a wonderful thing. Laura, Hari Om. Muchas gracias, menina. Dios te bendiga. Amén. Muchas gracias, Señor. Venga. Satya Prema Karuna. Satya. When you speak Satya, means it's fearless and Shanti come. Prem. When you prem, detachment and Shanti come. Karuna, compassion, ahimsa, parmo dharma, not to kill, harm anyone. That ahimsa, parmo dharma, satya, prema, karuna. Bring your life, bring the truth, bring the love and bring compassion. Every day, do one thing and bring your life. Give up something what you not like and bring something what you like. Each day, new thing you bring and live that force and be happy. Satya, prema, karuna. Your enemy, nidra, irsha and dvesh. Ninda. Ninda means criticizing unnecessarily other people. Hate other people and keep that anger. My dear friend, give up anger, give your hate, and don't criticize, don't think bad other people. What in my person negative thing I will give up? What is good thing I need now? Love, joy, happiness, contentment. I need good thing. Bring good thing with you. Give a negative thing you. And life is meaningful. We are now practicing yoga. Yoga. Practicing change the quality of life. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy emotion, healthy talking. If a yoga practitioner are teaching, let us talk about yoga. Yoga, we teach integral system of yoga. and also we call common sense yoga. Integral yoga means common sense yoga. Karma yoga, bhakti yoga, Raj yoga and Gyan yoga. The karma yoga, dynamic temperament. Bhakti yoga, emotional and devotional temperament. Raj yoga, rational temperament or psychic temperament. And Jnana yoga, intellectual temperament. 4 types of personality you have. Are you dynamic? Are you emotional, rational, intellectual? If you practice karma yoga, channel energy, practice more karma yoga. Karma kausalam. Yoga karmasu kausalam. With the karma, you can make happy yourself, happy other people. All your karma, I am also karma yogi. I do my work, but without expectation of the fruits. That karma yoga. Then bhakti yoga, emotional temperament. Most of the sisters and mother, women, they are emotional. They have devotional. Practice bhakti. Bhakti, mantra, chanting, and different kind of path connected to God. Bhakta, bhakti and Bhagwan. Bhakta means individual person who is devotee. Bhakti, the way, the devotion way. Devotion. Bhagwan, the God. So Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagwan. The individual person is devotee to God. He used that path of devotion through the mantra, through the chanting. I am predominantly bhakti. I am a devotee of the God, devotee of the Guru, and I love everyone. I have surplus love, too much love. My laughing gives the love. So, bhakti. I chant with of you. Maybe some chanting you don't know, but I become happy, you become happy. So, bhakta, bhakti and Bhagwan. Bhagwan means God. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat, truth. Chit, conscious, Ananda, bliss. The God is truth, God is bliss, and God has given everything. Here you take Surya Narayan, God, Surya Narayan. Every day sun come. Sun means Surya. When the sun come, energy give, he don't ask anything to you. Sun is giving the prana. Air come everywhere. Air is, you don't have to pay for the air. The prana come here. The most important thing for you is free. But mass become costly, put the price, put the tag, and I'll suffer. So that's why be a good devotee, good bhakta, follow your mantra. If you have a guru, follow the guru, he teach him. I'm very blessed I got my guru. 60 years will be my sannyas life. I got my guru given this cloth. Such 45 live in India. America I'm living 45. So 60 I'm a servant of God, devotee of disciple of my guru. My guru show the path. Satyananda Paramahamsa give me the path, give me the tool. I can be happy, I can peaceful, I can transmit all the happiness to other person. That's my duty. That is my karma, that is my dharma. The guru is important, this spiritual path. Lord Rama has a guru. His guru was Vasishtha. Lord Krishna has a guru, Sandipani. Lord is Lord. Guru is important thing. Guru means who remove out limitation of Vidya Smith, who guide you, inspire you. His purpose to give that transmission of the joy and happiness. Guru mantra, if you got it, practice and change the quality of life, then you don't have to worry. So, Guru God and devotee. Guru Govinda. God give, but you follow teaching of the Guru. If a Guru give the mantra, continue practicing and teaching till the life. When you smile with the heart, every day get up, is smiling, give joy to other people. When you sleep, sleep with a good mantra, good thought. Start the day with the God, fill the day with the God, and end the day to the God. Start the day with a good mantra, good thought. Good. Don't be angry, upset, nervous when you wake up. Don't sleep when you're angry, upset, and nervous. Many people wake up with the angry mood, sleep with the angry mood. Then whole day. Night, you have a wonderful dream when you sleep with the mantra. When I sleep, I put a wonderful mantra, chanting, and then I'm happy. Guru mantra. I got my mantra. In dream, I got a Guru mantra in my dream. Guru can give you dream mantra under the tree and ashram. But you must have faith, you must have Shraddha and Bhakti, and you can change the quality of life. Let others sing some song. And this is of Lord of Shiva. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Brahma who created the universe. Shiva who protected. No, Brahma, Vishnu protected and Shiva eliminate negative thing. What you are. We born, we grow and we die. Everything is three stages. Waking, sleeping and dreaming. We wake up, we dream and sleep. We are children, little baby. We grow and we old. The three stages of life. When you're little children, and when you become teenager and become old. What John? Your soul is the same. But you cannot behave as a child when you become a 60. Your soul is the same. So you discover, understand, discovery of the Atma and Paramatma and be happy. So let us sing. Let us sing the Hari Om, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. 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 Hari Om, Namah Shivaya. Ram 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 Ram. Now, again one mantra, about the image of Lord Shiva. Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Bhandari He Asutosa He Tripurari Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Bhandari Jatayut में गंगा विराजे गले शेष की माला साजे एक हाथ में शिवले हो दूजे डमरुहारी जय जय शिव भोले भंडारी पतितों को पावन करते हो सुख देख हर दुख को हरते हो शरणागत है आज तिहारी मेटो सारे संकट भारी उमार मन करुणा के सागर नाव भवर में अय जर जर पार लगा दो आकर अब तुम बिगड़ गई है दशा हमारी, जय जय शिव भोले भंडारी. This is bhakti, the devotion. Ram Rahim. You know, yesterday I saw on the church, Mohammad Satyananda Hussain. You saw that photo of Swamiji? Mohammad Satyananda Hussain. Now Ram Rahim, I know you sing wonderful. I like. Say mantra, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, sing for me. One mantra, 30 seconds. Sing please. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Guru mantra. Huh.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you, Hari Om, Tasmai Shri. Carmen, sing Om Namah Shivaya for me. No, Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur, continue.
Om Bhuvaswara Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimati Diyojana Prachodayana.
Thank you. Laura sang Ram, 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 Ram. Sing for me. Sing.
Ram Ram Ram, oh Ram Ram Ram, Ram Ram Ram, oh Ram Ram Ram.
Loti, sing Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. Sing. Sing, please.
Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om. Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om.
Devananda, sing Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Say hand. Ram, 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 Ram. Socorro, sing. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. Siga. Sonido, no tiene. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. No hay sonido, tiene que subir. No escucho. Lorena Ley, sing some mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Lorena. Oh, menina.
Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Divyajyoti, sing. Divyajyoti, sing something.
Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you. Jennifer, sing mantra.
Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om. Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti. I am the
peace, I am the peace, I am the peace, I am the peace, I am the joy, I am the joy, I am the joy, I am the joy.
Okay, so you are very lucky, all people. Now, who is Paula? Paula, hello, where are you now? Paula and Lucky. So, now everyone sing with me. Look. In my Om, my catch, my Om with my look. It's my mala catch.
Me va moviendo mucho la mano, Swami.
Yeah. Look, this is the Om and my mala. This is my little Om. Look. Om and mala. It catch me. I love this mala too much. You know, this mala, my guru has given me, and this 108. This mala is 108. This is my initiation give me. And this mala, how many years I have? More than 50 years I wearing this mala. And God Guru give me this mala. He never did. Now the Om is come out now. So, anyhow, I will sing one mantra which is like, oh Paula, sing my Nina, sing, Paula.
Hari Om Swamiji, buenos días, good morning.
Good morning, Hari Om Swamiji, Hari Om Swamiji, sing it, sing mantra.
Hari Om Swamiji,
Hari Om Swamiji, Hari Om Swamiji. Good, go, my God. I thought you are not there. And Myrena, hello Myrena. Hello. Are you there, Myrena? Now everyone sing. Hari Om, have no home. Diga. Hari Om, have no home. Work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be Anandam. Hari Om, how many home? Work not, food not, money, have a lot. Still I will be unhappy. Hari Om, have no home. Hari Om, have no home. Work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be Anandam. Hari Om, Hari Om, have no home. Work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be Anandam. Hari Om, have no home. Work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be. You know, money bring the thing, but money cannot buy the peace. Ultimate life is peace, shanti, shanti within you. Sugar always bring the sweetness. God has given infinite shanti to you. Purpose, be peaceful, be shanti, be joyful, and enjoy the life. Time out. My boss is calling me for the food. He prepared the food 7 o'clock in the morning. Now he ring the bell. Please come, otherwise I'm going to clean. I close the kitchen. So I have to at least eat. So I do your last shanti part, and I'm going to go my home to eat the food. It will take 1 hour to go my home. My home, I have to go the food. Otherwise my boss will clean, close my kitchen. And you also go to take food. Any question you have? 30-second time left. Any question quickly anyone to ask? Quickly, 30 seconds. Devananda.
Hari Om, when I ask which mantra should I do in the morning and in the evening, going to sleep and waking up?
Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Morning. Soham. Inhale, so exhale, evening or any time. सोहम सोहम जाप करो सद्गुरु देव का ध्यान करो सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा सोहम सोहम जाप करो सद्गुरु देव का ध्यान करो So repeat Soham each time in your time, never to throw. Worry will fill worry. Worry disappear and you will be happy. I initiate a happy mantra, Soham.
Sohan when reading each time during the day.
Yes, sir. His Holiness Devananda, tú eres lindo, bonito. Dios te bendiga, amén. Tiene sonrisa linda, graba su sonrisa, manda su sonrisa a su hijo o hija. Mire, enviando mi niña mi sonrisa. Diga su senora, mire señorita, senora, mandando mi sonrisa. You're a wonderful person, Devananda. I like your name. How you get your name? Who gave you your name? How you become a Devananda?
Swamiji gave me the name.
Who's Swamiji? You know Swamiji? Who is Swamiji?
Yes, Swamiji.
You are wonderful. You are a sweet person. I want you should be happy.
Thank you for the mango, Swamiji.
A mango?
Thank you so much.
We have mango. You can come and take any mango.
Thank you. I'll take the kids.
Okay. Om asato ma sadagamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya sarvesham swastirbhavatu sarvesham shantirbhavatu sarvesham purnam bhavatu sarvesham mangalam bhavatu loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om trayambakam yamhe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarkabandhana pratyormokshiyamamrita. Om naham karta harihi karta vikelam नाहम करता गुरुदेव करता ऐक्यलम सत्यम शरणम गच्छामि योगम शरणम गच्छामि संगम शरणम गच्छामि. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत. हरि ओम.